yeah.
Who are you? Excuse me. I just asked you a question. Who are you and what are you doing here? Are you talking to me? Have you gone deaf? Is there any other person here?
Ha!
Babe! Lounge!
I'm gonna why?
Who are you? And what are you doing in my man's house? I want the woman tell him. So that's how you girls go around in Lagos, stealing people's boyfriend. Oh, seriously? Are you out of your senses? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Has your brain gone soft? Are you crazy?
Kim!
Babe. Who is she? Babe. Who is this premature looking thing you brought into our house? Like, how dare you bring a girl into this house? Did you just call me bring? Shut up, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to my man. How dare you bring a girl into our house? Like, what do you men really want? After all we have shared, I gave you my body, I gave you everything.
Kim! You dey crazy? You? No be who come back yesterday? That's my baby.
Oh my God!
I don't fuck up again. So now who up you carry me self? My God, no vex. You know say yesterday I drink. I was high. I don't know.
Hey! They leave my house. Leave my house! See, don't try calling this house again. No.
So now even who up you carry me?